sinasabutan ka, nilagay mo dito pag bumukas.
And I would like to inform you, sir, that it's our 45th anniversary. Every face that you buy, you have a free good coffee or a tea of your choice.
45 what?
45th anniversary.
Years?
Yeah, years, I'm sorry.
Years?
Yeah.
You look young.
The coffee bean.
Ano ba yung kukunin ko dito? Basic ka nakalimutan ko to.
Same trainee.
One turkey sandwich. One is good.
Hello, class. Oh.
Sir, put cheese on your sandwich. Yes.
Order ka?
Yeah. Espresso. Is it for you or to go?
Basket mo kagad. Taas. Sige daw.
Is it single or double? Single. Okay, only 30 euros.
Sige mo na.
One local turkey sandwich for here, please.
Anong bread?
Oh.
Ano number?
17,100.
Very up.
20.
20. Meron ka din number.
Bye.
Anong bread, Brad? Hindi mo nilagay.
Sir, what bread would you like?
Don't have cereal.
Cereal bread?
Only focaccia.
Only
with
focaccia.
herb. With the herbs and spices. No.
No. Wheat bread. Focaccia, yeah. Focaccia is good with turkey. Sir, your change is 77. I'll just serve it on your table. Your number is...
Andun.
Thank you, sir.
Order. TNB.
Ha?
Ano na to?
Kanya. Teka lang. Sandali lang ha. First day ko. First day ko.
Ano ba yung?
No fat roast turkey. Turkey.
Espresso.
And once... Teka lang, wala kang dakit ha.
Sarap.
Sarap?
Ayun, dahil sa kalabing bato.
Oo, malangis.
Masabi.
Malangis.
Hindi ka talaga diba?
Wala na, ano na, na-expose. Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, di ba? Ano yung sabi ko sa'yo? Di ba yung ano ng
So,
coffee?
kapag
Anniversary?
MVP. Thank you.
Naibigyan niyo yung resibo. Sir, ano walang pinapahingit niyo?
or here yung espresso.
60 grams.
Ano na po tayo may number?
Tama na yan.
Tama na yan, wala na.